In the crushing darkness of the deep ocean, where sunlight's warmth has never pierced, a profound silence reigns supreme, yet life thrives. Imagine a world utterly alien, a realm born of volcanic fury, where existence defies every conventional understanding of biology. Beneath miles of water, isolated from our sun-drenched surface, an astonishing discovery shattered everything we thought we knew about life. For millennia, scientists believed all life ultimately depended upon the sun's radiant energy, fueling photosynthesis's vital process. But in 1977, aboard the submersible Alvin, explorers plunged into the Galapagos Rift, searching for geological anomalies, not vibrant ecosystems. What they encountered there, emerging from cracks in the seafloor, defied all scientific expectations and reshaped our cosmic perspective.
Plumes of superheated, mineral-rich water billowed upward, creating chimneys of rock in a landscape previously thought barren. Around these searing vents, a bewildering menagerie of colossal, bizarre creatures flourished, completely independent of solar energy. This was not merely a new species discovery, it was the revelation of an entirely distinct biological paradigm, a profound redefinition. The deep-sea hydrothermal vent ecosystem instantly became one of the most significant biological finds in human history, challenging dogma. Here, life harnessed the Earth's internal furnace, transforming raw geological power into the very fuel for complex, thriving communities. These hydrothermal vents form where tectonic plates diverge, allowing seawater to seep deep into the Earth's fractured crustal bedrock.
As this water permeates downwards, it heats to extreme temperatures, far exceeding the boiling point at surface atmospheric pressure. Under immense abyssal pressures, however, this superheated water remains liquid, scavenging minerals from the surrounding volcanic rock strata. It becomes a corrosive, toxic brew, saturated with hydrogen sulfide, iron, copper, and other dissolved metals from Earth's mantle. Eventually, driven by heat and buoyancy, this chemically altered fluid erupts back into the frigid deep ocean through chimney-like structures. When this superheated mineral-laden water mixes with the cold, oxygenated seawater, dissolved metals precipitate, forming the iconic smokers. Black smokers spew dark, iron sulfide-rich fluids, while white smokers emit lighter, barium and calcium sulfide-rich precipitates, visually distinct. Crucially, these vents provide not light, but chemical energy, a process known as chemosynthesis, foundational for these unique food webs.
Microbes, specifically chemosynthetic bacteria and archaea, are the primary producers, converting toxic vent chemicals into organic matter. These microscopic organisms form the base of a truly astonishing food chain, feeding an array of previously unknown, specialized animals. Giant tube worms, some reaching over 8 feet tall, dominate these landscapes, waving their vibrant red plumes in the chemical soup. These extraordinary worms possess no mouth or digestive tract. Instead, they host billions of symbiotic chemosynthetic bacteria within their tissues. The bacteria oxidize hydrogen sulfide from the vent fluid, providing nutrients directly to their host, a marvel of biological interdependence. Surrounding the tube worms are vast swarms of ghostly white vent shrimp, often blind, grazing on bacterial mats covering the vent surfaces.
Mussels, clams, and limpets also thrive in dense beds, their gills harboring similar chemosynthetic symbionts, deriving sustenance from within. These communities are incredibly vibrant, supporting biomass densities far exceeding those found in most other deep-sea environments. Imagine entire cities of life flourishing in perpetual darkness, powered by geological forces, completely isolated from the sun's influence. It's a breathtaking testament to life's adaptability, pushing the very boundaries of where and how complex organisms can possibly exist. The organisms living here are true extremophiles, adapted to survive conditions that would instantly kill nearly all other known life forms. Temperatures can fluctuate wildly, from near-freezing abyssal water to scalding vent fluids exceeding 400 degrees Celsius directly adjacent.
The crushing pressure, miles below the surface, is thousands of times greater than atmospheric pressure, compressing even robust materials. Many vent species possess unique proteins and enzymes that function optimally under these high temperatures and extreme chemical concentrations. Some vent microbes can even withstand temperatures above 120 degrees Celsius, earning them the classification of hyperthermophiles, truly astonishing. Their DNA, cellular membranes, and metabolic pathways are exquisitely tuned to prevent denaturation and maintain integrity in these harsh conditions. Such profound adaptations offer critical insights into the fundamental limits of biological resilience and the biochemistry of survival. These organisms reveal that life's potential is far broader, far more robust than once conceived, thriving where despair might prevail. They are living laboratories, constantly providing new clues about the molecular mechanisms that underpin extraordinary biological persistence. The diversity of vent ecosystems is also remarkable, depending on the specific geology and chemical composition of the erupting fluids. Black smoker fields, often found on fast-spreading ridges, host communities dominated by tube worms and large vent mussels, rich in iron. White smoker systems, common on slower-spreading ridges, can support different species, including extensive fields of delicate deep-sea anemones. Some vents emit warm, methane-rich fluids, supporting unique microbial consortia that derive energy from hydrocarbon oxidation, another pathway. Recent discoveries have even identified low-temperature vents, where water slowly seeps through serpentinized rocks, fostering distinct life.
The Lost City hydrothermal field, for instance, exhibits towering carbonate chimneys and sustains chemosynthetic communities unlike any other. Every expedition to new vent sites seems to uncover novel species and previously unknown biological interactions, expanding our understanding. The deep ocean floor remains largely unexplored, holding countless more hydrothermal systems, each potentially harboring its own alien biota. What other wonders, what other forms of extremophile life await our discovery in these remote, pressure-crushed abyssal domains? Despite decades of research, many fundamental mysteries about hydrothermal vents persist, fueling ongoing scientific inquiry and exploration. How do these isolated vent communities disperse across vast stretches of barren deep-sea floor, finding new, ephemeral hydrothermal oases?
Larval stages of vent animals must somehow drift for miles, sometimes hundreds of miles, surviving until they find a suitable new vent. What triggers the initial colonization of a newly formed vent, and how quickly do these complex ecosystems establish themselves from scratch? The lifespan of an individual vent field is often geologically fleeting, lasting only decades or centuries before it becomes inactive. This constant cycle of creation and decay means vent species must be highly adapted to both rapid colonization and eventual extinction locally. Could inactive vents, now cold and silent, serve as cryptic stepping stones or dormant reservoirs for these resilient deep-sea travelers? Perhaps the answers lie in deep-sea currents,
or in undiscovered cryptic vents, providing hidden pathways for genetic exchange and survival.
The sheer resilience of life under such immense environmental pressure continues to challenge our conventional ecological and evolutionary models. The discovery of hydrothermal vent ecosystems fundamentally altered the search for life beyond Earth, dramatically broadening our horizons. Before 1977, liquid water and sunlight were considered essential prerequisites for any planetary habitability, limiting exoplanet targets significantly. Now, worlds like Jupiter's moon Europa and Saturn's moon Enceladus, with their subsurface liquid water oceans, seem far more promising. These icy moons exhibit evidence of internal geological activity and potential hydrothermal vents on their ocean floors, far from any star. If life can thrive without sunlight on Earth, powered solely by chemical energy from within a planet, it could exist elsewhere too. The implications are profound. Habitable zones might extend far beyond the narrow stellar regions traditionally considered life-sustaining. Our own deep-sea vents provide a crucial analog, a terrestrial blueprint for what alien life might look like and how it could survive. This paradigm shift means the universe might be teeming with life, not just on sun-warmed surfaces, but in dark, subterranean oceans. Humanity has explored less than 5% of the world's oceans, leaving vast, uncharted territories for future discovery and wonder. New generations of remotely operated vehicles and autonomous underwater vehicles are extending our reach into these previously inaccessible realms. We are only just beginning to grasp the full extent of vent diversity and the intricate biological strategies employed by these deep-sea inhabitants.
Every dive reveals new mysteries, confirming that the deep ocean holds more secrets than we can currently comprehend or even imagine. The hydrothermal vents, these searing oases in the eternal night, are more than just unique ecosystems. They are portals to the unknown. They stand as a powerful reminder that life, in its relentless drive to persist, will find a way, even in the most extreme conditions. And as we continue to explore these fiery depths, we peel back layers of possibility, challenging our very definition of what it means to be alive. These deep oases redefine life's very blueprint, whispering secrets about existence that echo far beyond our terrestrial home into the cosmos.